What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to redeem Roblox codes on both mobile devices and PC. Redeeming these codes allows you to access various items on Roblox for your Roblox account. Whether you're using a laptop, Chromebook, iPhone, or Android phone, this guide will walk you through the necessary steps to get your rewards quickly and easily. So let's begin. First, open any web browser that are available, like for example, Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. And a web browser, go to the website roblox.com. And the website, make sure that your account is logged in. As you can see, mine is already logged in. After you log into your Roblox, click the Roblox icon, which is located at the top right of the website screen beside the notification tab that looks like a bell icon. The menu will appear. Just click the Redeem Roblox Codes to redeem it. In the Redeem Roblox Codes tab, enter the code in the code box. After entering the codes, check the box. After that, click the Redeem button to redeem the rewards. And there you have now successfully redeemed your Roblox codes on both mobile and PC. Keep an eye out for new codes to maximize your gaming experience. For more tips and tutorials on Roblox and other topics, feel free to explore additional resources or subscribe to relevant channels. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.